JC Audits. This is JC Audits speaking from France. So we're in the wild area of a safari park, and it's actually the biggest safari park in Europe. Here we have a sign saying, "Do not get out of the car." And my French is so good, it's actually in English, so I don't have to translate. So this is all about, I think this is deer, so I don't want to hit a deer, otherwise I'll be saying, "Oh dear." So it's not even funny. It's not funny. Why are you laughing? I haven't even started my comedy yet.
Oh dear.
So the deers were aggressively hunted, especially at the end of the 1700s.
Where's deers?
So I bet the numbers had to climb. You know, maybe that's now in part of due to the conservation efforts. I think there's something in that box over there. Is it food or is it an animal?
It's just food.
It's just food. So nothing down on my right apart from broken twigs. So okay. It's tracked out. The car's already jacked itself up because it knows we've been here before.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
What
pretty
is
good.
that?
Huh?
It's the animal.
This, yeah, serfs. I think that's just basically more deer.
Oh, they are there.
So,
Chill.
yeah, look, there we go. So there's one of these serfs. So you can see the lovely antlers there. There's a small bird nearby. You know, we could be in Africa, but we're not. We're in France, so looks fairly happy. Doesn't look exploited. I mean, a lot of these conservation efforts have rebuilt numbers. Yeah, there's some resting there.
Oh, de nézd, micsoda szép agancsa van, látod őket?
Meow.
Can we stop, please?
Yeah, we're going to stop. We're going to drive off here. I don't think we're supposed to go off the road a little bit, but we will.
Ott vannak, nézd, stop,
Yeah,
stop.
I will.
Látod, micsoda szép agancsa van?
So let me just get the colouring right. There you go. Yeah, not too much. There we go. There we see. It's hard because kind of the sun's in the background. There's a whole family there. Yeah, they look quite cute. But I wouldn't like to stroke them though. Would not like to stroke these fellows. One here.
Miért szegény?
Doe-eyed.
Biztos melege van, vagy...
That one's horny. There we are. So we're going to move on now, yeah? So go through these gates. Oh, I don't remember this. Do not get out of the car, yeah, clearly, because that will be a shocking piggies.
Piggy wiggies.
So I remember seeing this like it was yesterday.
But
There was
where
lots
the
of
Piggy
Piggy Wiggies. The small Piggy Wiggies are down here on the right. You'll see them gambling around. So hog roast is a popular thing in the UK, especially at the time of bonfire in Lewis.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you get spear the hog. Or even if you go to Hungary, they kill the pig and eat it. In fact, I'm getting hungry right now.
Where the malas? Hol the malaskák?
So we'll carry on a bit later.
Hol the malaskák?
Hey, so we're back here with JC Audits, and we're here, we see our cousins. So this is the first cousin. As you can see, it's living in a tree, on a tree. And this is what they used to do. This is some of our common ancestors. You can see this one's descending down the tree. They indulge in grooming and they have a hierarchy. So there's the alpha male with females around it, and the females would groom the male and then make themselves available for sex. There's also males that groom the male, looking to curry favour one day. So the male is always a benevolent male, so it rules with fairness and justness. So the evil males are always chased out in the end. So the male has a responsibility, the alpha male, of looking after the whole of the troop. So you can see this one's having a good itch. Some of the monkeys masturbate, just like we do. So I'd say I feel quite at home here. So there's probably some females over there. As you can see, there's lots of electric fences here. There's one there, and there's one on this side of the water as well. So if they decide, they want to take objection to me, they can cross it, but then they get a big shock. Sometimes sometimes there's a big yeah. Anyway, that's it now. Yeah, sometimes they like opening their legs, like this one here is opening their legs now. That's to show dominance. They like to show their penis. So this one's showing their penis now. If I had a binocular, I could be able to see it. Actually, I can see it with my naked eye. The penis is on display, guys. Let me try and get a better resolution so you can see it too. It's just showing its dominance there. And the penis is usually quite red. Unfortunately, I can't capture it very well, but that is the alpha male there, right there on the tree. You can see its prominent position as lookout, looking for making sure the troop is okay. And yeah, just generally making sure things are okay. Planet of the Apes. Sorry, first on JC Audits. See the popo there. Woo! It's obviously scared by me. Welcome back to JC Audits. This is the kangaroo enclosure. The kangaroos have the biggest legs amongst mammals. Well, the thing is, the ironic thing, they've got the shortest fence, which is very, very interesting in my opinion. Not even electrified. So let's see if we can get... No, this is not electric though. So let's see if we can zoom in on the kangaroos. So we have 2 adult kangaroos, and looks like a female in the background. But they seem to be resting, so they're not very tall, but I'm sure if they stood up, they're kind of like oversized gerbils. Of course, a lot of these are shot in the UK. I mean, in Australia. It's not actually electrified, so you can see that. Get a good film in that. Stretching, relaxing. Whether they're going to get up or not is a different question entirely. You can see their eyes are quite narrow, so they look quite tired. Yeah, not doing much. At least they're here, Red kangaroos. Don't know what other colours of kangaroos there are, but yeah. Very interesting. Again, they don't really seem to be bothered that much. Let me just try and hold the camera steady so you can see appreciate their actual movements. We're in a kind of ditch-like area. That's the enclosure there. There's a few emus at the back of the enclosure. And again, they don't really seem to be that bothered. Contemplating life, the universe and everything. Wonder if I sneezed, what would happen, you know. Unfortunately, I don't want to sneeze, so... So we're gonna end the audit now. There might be some bonus footage later. But at the moment, from me to you, this is JC Audits. Signing out.
Daddy, I'm hungry. What's the smell? This is some smoke. Who is that?
One more time.
Mm-mm.
We are a team. I will be done. This is smoke.
JC Audits, signing out. So this is, when you're on benefits, this is one way of looking at it. If you fall on one of these creatures there, you will literally be on the dole.